Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating your Daraja application and grabbing consumer key and consumer secret. This gives you OAuth access. Once done, set the redirect URI and choose sandbox versus production so calls hit the right endpoint. Make sure to store keys in environment variables or a secret manager for security and rotation. You will use these credentials to request an access token. Having them prepared prevents delays and reduces chances of credential leakage during development. You next exchange consumer key and consumer secret for an OAuth token using basic auth. Parse and cache expires in, so you refresh only when necessary. Then construct your API payload. Include business shortcode, amount, party A, party B, timestamp, and the base 64 password derived from shortcode, passkey, and timestamp. Once constructed, sign or encode required fields, set content type to application/JSON, and attach authorization, bearer token. This keeps calls authenticated and prevents malformed requests. You send the transaction request and immediately check for a 200-level response with a checkout request ID or response code. This confirms acceptance. Once done, make sure your callback endpoint returns 200 quickly and then process the asynchronous result inside your system to update order status. If something goes wrong, log the full request and response, verify timestamp and base 64 password generation, and refresh the OAuth token if expired. These steps diagnose common issues and help you recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.